Appliance Direct.
If you have a good front loader, how long can you leave clothes in with no smell? All night long.
Lightweight loads dry overnight in washer, no dryer. These new Maytags eliminate the only problem with front load washers: sour smelling clothes.
Only Appliance Direct has front loads with the money back, no smell guaranteed. What's the #1 complaint with the front loaders? Over 40% of them stinks. So you gotta leave the door open. Ooh, that's high. That's 46% more than a good top loader. I've been here forever. My mom taught me. You can put in straight bleach in, but that eat up the gasket and that water pump. That ain't good. So you want out of front load funk? You got 3 choices. #1, if you bought a front loader from us, we would give you 6 months worth Whirlpool additives. It would make it a whole lot better.
From Whirlpool.
#2, you can buy the only front loader that is guaranteed. I mean money back guaranteed. Not to smell. It sanitizes better than the hospital. More quiet than a candle. Holds a king-size comforter and all the bedding. Don't put mattress in. It spins so well, it saves 11.5% of your drying cost. That's the real money on the bill. And because of that spin, your dryer will last, on average, an extra 16.4 months. We're shooting for over 13 years. And this has a steam. You don't hear it. You don't smell it. Because sour means bacteria. Dishwasher stops bacteria with the door closed. The natural way. Clean, fresh air. That's how nature does it. That's how this does it. And it's worked pretty good so far. Get out of the front load funk and enjoy your washer. Paying more for the front loader and not being happy is a wacky noo-noo. If your front load stinks, Appliance Direct will give you a trade-in on the new ones that don't. Or #3, you can call it a day and buy the Super Mondo top loader. It's huge. Plus automatic dispensers. And quit messing with it. You can put the comforter and bedding in this baby. And if a kid needs a bath, I'm just kidding on the kids. Uses the same energy as a Duet. I'm not kidding. At Appliance Direct, your purchase price starts with $4. Everywhere else, it won't. Appliance Direct. I love laundry. Locations and hours, appliancedirect.com. Thank you.
Appliance Direct.
Thank you for visiting world's largest appliance showroom, Appliance Direct.